You can pin chats on Instagram to keep important conversation at the top of your DM list. And here is how you can do it. Firstly, open Instagram on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Once you are logged in, simply go to your DMs by tapping on the DM icon available at the top right corner of your screen, or it is a paper clip icon at the top right corner. Then once you tap on it, you will be navigated to the conversation area. Now from the conversation section, choose the conversation you want to pin, and all you have to do is tap on the conversation and slide it to the left side. Simply try doing it. So here I am choosing the first conversation to pin. Simply long press on it and then you can see pin option available. Simply tap on the pin to keep it at the top of your chat list. Now you can do the same and select on pin to remove it from the top. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.